Hello guys, so from last few days you must heard about this news that YouTube is cracking down on people who are using ad blockers. So when you watch YouTube videos you see this kind of notice that ad blockers are not allowed on YouTube, or sometime you show more aggressive warning when YouTube says video player will be blocked after 3 videos. Okay, on my YouTube if I go here you can see this is my YouTube home screen, and I do not see any ads on my YouTube home screen. Even if I open a video, I do not see any ads on the videos. If I watch another video, here you can see video player blocked after 3 videos. So this is my second video, and if I watch third video, I still do not see any warning from YouTube. And if I watch the fourth video, I still do not see any warning from YouTube, and videos are playing perfectly. Even let's try one more video, and then if I go to home screen, I do not see the ads which is normally plays here or on the first one. Okay, so the thing is that maybe I'm lucky or my ad blocker is still working perfectly fine. Maybe YouTube will find a way around to beat my ad blocker, but for now you got two options to do. What you can do if you're seeing this warning from YouTube about ads blocker not allowed on YouTube, or if you see warning that video player will be blocked after 3 videos. Okay, the first thing will be easiest. Go to YouTube account and then click your purchase and memberships, and then from here you can use enjoy a month of YouTube premium on us. So you can upgrade your account for free, and for 1 month you will not see any ads and you can still watch YouTube without ads. The second option will be in Chrome browser, click on these 3 dots, hover an extension and then click on visit Chrome web store, and then search here AdBlock, and then you can see this ad blocker, AdBlock best ad blocker. This got 4.5 star rating from more than 286,000 people. You can see it is installed on my computer. So once you click on this option, I'm going to remove this from Chrome so I can show you how it is installed. Okay, so in your case you will see this option add to Chrome. Click on add to Chrome and then click on add extension, and now when you go to YouTube you can see I see no ads on my channel. Just to show you, this extension works really nicely. If you click here on extension, and if I click on these 3 dots and I say pause on this site, and now if I refresh the YouTube page, you can see I start seeing ads on my YouTube. This is the ad, and if I click on a video, for example I click on this video, you can see the ad appears on the video. And if I click again this extension and then 3 dots and then resume blocking ads, and now if I refresh the page, you can see the video started without any ads. So these are 2 ways. I hope you like the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and watch this another interesting video to learn more ways to block ads while you're browsing.